time on Races to Places.
The aim is to get to Machu Picchu without taking the traditional tourist route.
It's like wacky races.
As Lyndon says, the wacky races of barges.
This is insane, mate.
This is a bit sketchy. Check out the deck. Wait for it.
And then there's one behind us with a bus on it.
Crazy.
It looks like it's time to set up camp for the evening. And I wonder, what's on the menu? Let me guess. Tuna?
Tuna in oil. Stand back, the jet boil is on.
Yeah. Let's add a bit of prawn powder as well. Oh yeah.
Noodles.
Take a look around here, see what Lyndon's doing. Probably shouldn't ask what Lyndon's doing, he's liable to throw a spanner.
Mate, this is like 8 punctures I've had, and you've had none.
Oh, brew, matey. Take a break.
At least it's nice and warm at 13,000 feet in Bolivia in my boxer shorts fixing me flat. Yeah, you can feel the weather changing a bit.
What's that, bud?
You can feel the weather, it's changed a bit.
Yeah.
Good morning. Here we are in Oruro, Bolivia. Check the city out behind me. Look at this. Hello, Bolivia. Alright, it's time to run back down. We're just on our way to Solar Uni. The roads are pretty rough. Heading for the north side and then planning to cross the Solar to Uni itself. It'll be about 150 kilometres across. Currently it's a lovely sunny day and Bolivia are going through a bit of a drought, so fingers crossed it'll be dry. See the volcano up ahead. These cool little villages in the middle of Bolivia. I think people even know what to make of... Oh, rubbish bin. Put my trash in the bin. Trash and recycling.
Salar de Uyuni. These are the Bolivian salt flats. And I'm sure Lyndon will let Basil stretch his legs here. Now this place is seriously cool, and I would love to visit this.
you get if you dig down. You see the crystals growing, salt crystals on the side there. Someone's dug a hole here. Well, here we are this morning, just on the south side of the Solar Uni, about 10 kilometres out of the small town of the Uni. And after an amazing day riding yesterday, coming into the Uni in the north and then spending some time riding across the Solar, it was just so epic, so special. Something I've wanted to do for a long time, and finally got it done. When you camp out in places like this and you look out your tent and you see the full moon, and you see just vast open space, and there's just you camping in the middle of it. It's really, really special. Wow, look at all these old steam trains.
You may be wondering why this train is half buried in dirt. Just outside of a uni is a popular tourist attraction that is a train graveyard. The trains, which you can see here, were used in the mining trade, which eventually collapsed, meaning there was no use for the trains. So many of them, sadly, were put to rest here at the train graveyard. As you can see, parts have been stripped from the trains, either for scrap or to repair others.
Well, here we are at the amazing train graveyard in Uyuni, Bolivia. I could not pass through this place without coming and having a look. All the history here, the old steam locomotives just dumped. Some of them on tracks, some of them just left to sink into the base material. It really is spectacular. What an awesome place to explore, climbing around all these old trains. Races to places! So we often wonder why these trains are here and the condition that they're in, but let me show you this. That is called a boiler explosion. Check this out. That definitely went with a bang. Wow. Well, I've had punctures in worse settings than this. These crazy old trains behind us. Tony thinks it's funny that I've got another puncture.
I remember all the times that Lyndon used to tease Lucas about his punctures. It looks like the tables have turned. As Tony said earlier, Lyndon is into double figures with the punctures now.
So the most important thing after spending a couple of days on the salt flat is to get all the salt off the bike. So that's what we're doing now. Unfortunately in Bolivia there's a national water shortage. So we have to find somewhere with a water tank, which is what we found here. You can see all the salt in there on the bash plate, and that's just going to eat, if we don't get it off like this, it's just going to eat into the paintwork, and it already has, you see? See the paint coming off? We've got to get rid of all of that. So mad. I was on the right of way, this truck just pulled straight out in front of me. Look, and he thinks it's funny. So I was coming down this road here, and he pulled out of this pan here. Just ran straight at me off the road. Idiot. Wow. I've just found this cemetery in the middle of nowhere. Just saw it up on the side of the hill and decided to pop in and take a quick look and a video. It's totally awesome. Wilderness. On every day, munching kilometres, thankfully on awesome roads like this. That's why we've added in the dark, in the rain, and running out of fuel just because we want a day off tomorrow. There goes a bike with no lights on and a truck coming in the background. Alright, let's get going.
Today is Lyndon's birthday. And we all know that Tony loves a reason to wheel out the booze. It's party time.
Pequeño whiskey. No, cabbage. Have to carry this, mate. Come to Papa. It's birthday time.
Gracias.
¿Cuánto cuestan, por favor?
Yes.
Happy birthday. The only way to get Cuba Libre after 11:30 p.m. in Tarija. Tony's not feeling too well. I don't know why. Something about last night. So we're just trying to make our way to the Paraguay border today, but the road's closed till noon, 7 till noon, so see all these cars, just trucks queuing up to go through. We've got about an hour to wait, it's 11 o'clock, so hang out for an hour. Carnage, buses and cars as far as you can see. There's no chance of anything to get through. It's a dirt road, so it's going to be super dusty. This guy is just pushed into the front, but we'll get in front of them all because I don't want to be behind this lot on that dirt road. So you want to see how they cut roads into the side of mountains in Bolivia? This is it. See that? Woo! Now that's cut into a mountain. Yep, there's currently a drought in Bolivia, and as you can see, no water in any of the rivers. The reservoirs are all super low. This is Adios, Bolivia. Hola, buenas tardes. ¿Dónde es the immigration? Sí. Immigration y aduana. Perfecto, gracias. Immigration. Immigration aquí Bolivia y Paraguay. Sí, gracias.
Next time on Races to Places, it's a DHL depot visit.